How to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10 on PC. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to speed up any internet connection on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, right click the start icon. Click on Run. Now type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter or OK button. From here, find your Wi-Fi connection. Right-click on it. Now choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Go to Properties button. Under Use the following DNS service address, checkmark it and simply type in the preferred DNS server to 1.1.1.1, and after that you need to choose the alternative DNS server. You can simply type in 1.0.0.1 and then click on OK button. Once you have followed this step, again choose your Wi-Fi connection and then select Properties by right-clicking on it. From this, you need to click on Configure button. Now new window will appear. Simply go to Advanced tab and here you will see the property. Under this, you need to simply choose the preferred band. And at the value, click on this drop-down menu box and you can easily select Prefer 5 GHz band. Now choose Roaming Aggressiveness and select the value and set to lowest for better speed. Again, you can easily look for Fat Channel Intolerant if there is and then disable that. And with that, click on OK button and restart your computer. And with that, you can easily speed up your network or internet connection on Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.